Facing a plunder case and a Senate probe, Vice President Jejomar Binay says the allegations against him won't stand up in court. Political rivals and former Makati City employees accused the Binay family of corruption, accusing them of earning from overpriced buildings, various city projects, and cakes for senior citizens. In a 15-minute address, Binay says claims that he got kickbacks from city projects when he was still Makati mayor are all based on hearsay and are not backed by evidence.
Wala sa pinangangalandakan nilang testimonya ang tatayo sa isang hukuman ng batas. At dahil hindi tatayo sa hukuman ng batas, ipinalalabas na lang nila sa malasirkos ng pagdinig sa Senado.
He also says the alleged overpriced Makati City Hall building, the subject of a Senate hearing, should be compared to other government buildings like the Iloilo International Convention Center. But the bulk of Binay's speech was on his apparent campaign platform for the presidency in 2016.
Ngunit, ang laban na hinaharap po ngayon ay hindi lamang laban para kay Jojo Binay. Ito ay laban para sa bayan. Ito ay laban para sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Bugbugin at laitin man tayo kaliwat kanan, babangon tayo at lalaban. Mga kababayan, ito naman ang panata ko po sa inyo. Kung paano ko ibinuhos ang aking oras at kaalaman para tiyakin na ang mga taga-Makati ay magiging kasalo sa pag-unlad, iyan din ang patuloy kong ginawa bilang inyong halal na pangalawang Pangulo ng ating bansa. Walang atrasan. Lalaban po tayo para gumanda at guminhawa ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino.